Hi, this is Hafiz. Welcome to my channel, Hafiz Learning Channel. In today lecture, we will learn the function of artistic media. We will learn the function of this tool today, and we will design a special flower with the help of this tool. Keep watching till the end. If it is your first time to log on my channel, please, you are warmly requested to subscribe my channel so that you could receive my notification regarding graphics designing. Here we go, let's start. In this tool we can design different shapes and insert ready-made objects, shapes, etc. When you press on this tool, so we have here in property bar, we will find some options 1, 2, 3, 4. Here preset, first preset we will do work on preset function. Preset property, by preset property we can draw different shapes like whenever we need in our designing, like this. If I want to fill the color in it, I can draw another type of, like this, rounded and line type. Here like this type. And if I want to, these are the simple, but in designing with ideas you can draw it in your designing. In the second option, brush, here the second option is brush tool. Brush property, from this drop down menu we can find different shapes, ready-made shapes, like arrow. If we need arrow in our designing, we can directly drag. If I press shift key with the help of this, so I can drag straight arrow. If I want to fill the color, I can fill this arrow, and if I want to drag this arrow, and if I want to separate this ungroup, first press Ctrl K, then Ctrl U. You can separate this. Look at here, we can separate this by first Ctrl K, then Ctrl U. You can ungroup this. If you want to give a different color, like this, I want to give upper, the front arrow, you can give the color. The behind and the object in the behind will be same, will be dark, will be in black color. Again, artistic media, this brush option, you can draw another object, like I am dragging this. If I want to increase the size of this, you can increase by this property. If I want to give directly 2, I can give 2. If I want to give 3, by this we can draw another objects we have in this ready-made brush tools, brush type tools. Look at here. In designing in your projects according to the need, you will use this. Artistic media, third option, sprayer. In sprayer you will find different objects, like we have this object, and this object, ready-made leaves. Ctrl K and Ctrl U. You can separate this one by one. Look at here. If I want to use this only, I can use this. First Ctrl K, the all object will be big, will be broken, and then you will be separated by control U. Control plus U, you can separate this. If you want to one of object of this total object, if you want to use only this leaf, then it is very easy to use this. Again, artistic media, this option. And if I want to use grass in my object in my designing, get here. If I want to again first select the object, then control plus K, and then control plus U. Now we can this separate. Look at here. One star you can use in your designing. Okay, again artistic media, brush option, and this is mushroom type object shapes, and this is very beautiful shapes. You can use this in your designing. Look at here, from the zooming in, same control K first, then control U. Look at here. If I want to use only this object, again I can ungroup this. Here we find the option. If I want to ungroup this, I can separate this, delete all these. Okay, again ungroup and use this only. Ungroup and use this object only, delete all the remaining. Again third, more options. Here we have some more options. These were the fourth option, calligraphic. It is not so important, it is very simple. Now I design a flower with the help of artistic media. Select this option, preset, and take in